What's up, guys? How's it going? So I'm filming this on Friday before Bimmerfest. This will go up Monday, but sadly the E30 will not be making it to Bimmerfest this year. A lot of problems in the last couple days just trying to get it started. First had a spark issue, which was one bad by a bad crank position sensor, and then also one of the wires for the distributor cap was incorrectly plugged in. So sparking issue was fixed. Then we started having fueling issues with the injector O-rings, and then the lines were bulging because of too much pressure. So we just got a new pressure regulator, although we haven't been able to had time to reconnect it and try it out. Additionally, since adding the chase base filler neck, it spaced out everything about an inch, so the coolant pipe, or the crossover pipe, is about an inch too short to run coolant, so I'm going to have to get that cut and then welded and extended about inch and a half. Additionally, one of the relays, I'm still having a problem with the main fuel pump relay, so we've just been jumping it with a wire to make it want to start. So motor still hasn't started. Everything else is connected. We've got the exhaust on, although the actual exhaust looks really ugly. We'll be switching to headers out there past smog. Finally got the Garagistic front control arm bushings installed. K motors, headlight intake, trans, everything, drive shafts installed. See if we can see that. Excuse the cars passing by. I don't think you can really see up in there, but fuel tank's finally in, fuel filter, everything's good. Interior is about the same. Just got the pedal house pedal covers. Everything else, I don't know if I showed this in the last video, but I flocked the, pretty sure I did, but you can't see it. There we go. There's exposure. Oh, still can't see it. Well, there we go. So I flocked the Condor Speed Shop delete plate. Looks great, really clean. Everything else is good. Everything's about the same back there. Got my Brom seats. Harnesses finally came in, which are under this, but they're not fully installed yet. Also, just wanted to mention, I am using planted, you can't see them, but planted technology seat brackets with the Brom racing seats. But other than that, it sucks, but it's a car project, so it is what it is. I'm taking about a 2-week break. Gotta go do some stuff, but I'll be back and it'll be running soon. It's so close, it wants to start, but problem after problem, and eventually it'll be running and we'll take it to another show. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me know what you want to see. If there's any questions, let me know. Peek that Mishi. Okay, have a good day, guys.